you tired of sending out 100 DMs just to get ghosted? What if I told you we now outsource the entire cold outreach process? And we book 30-50 monthly sales calls using AI agents that never sleep? Let me show you how. We work with marketing agencies and online coaches who are done wasting time sending cold DMs and writing follow-ups manually. You try email and it crickets. LinkedIn got ignored. Instagram needs too much effort. We solve this with one machine and we'll build it for you. Reach 5,000 leads in a single AI-powered search. Auto-send personalized DMs and emails at scale. Have AI agents follow up, qualify, and book calls on your calendar. Keep your CRM updated, plus generate a full report weekly. It runs on autopilot 24/7. And it's not just bots, it's strategy, powered by data and built by real humans behind the scenes. Here's why most founders burn out. You're the CEO, the sales rep, and the assistant. You spend 10 plus hours a week prospecting, and you're stuck in a lead gen hamster wheel. That's not scale. That's survival. Here's how we fix it in 5 steps. AI lead research, find hyper-targeted leads using our AI filters. Custom messaging, AI writes and sends human-like DMs plus emails. Follow-ups, agents follow up automatically even when they don't reply. Calendar integration, booked calls show up like magic. VA support, a real human. VA ensures your CRM stays updated and clients feel taken care of. You wake up, calendar's full, inbox is organized, lead gen answered handled. Want to see how this works? We put together a free AI outreach blueprint showing the full system behind it, plus real case studies, templates, and tools we use every day. Hit the button below to grab the blueprint. No fluff, just the exact workflow we use to scale agencies and coaching businesses past 30K a month.